Hi guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to lend, borrow, and earn on Loopscale. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. So guys, or you could use any EVM wallet of your choice for this, okay? I'll be using OKX for the purpose of this video. So let's tap OKX. So the next step is to type in app.loopscale.com, app.loopscale.com. So you tap it. So guys, once you've typed in app.loopscale.com, you'll have an interface like this, okay? So let's tap this icon at the top left of the screen. So guys, let's start with lend. Let's tap lend. Guys, if you've got USDT, USDC, or any assets sitting around doing nothing, you can put it to work, okay? Just head to the vaults tab, pick the asset you wish to lend, and tap deposit, okay? Here's why this is awesome for beginners. You don't have to manage anything. Loopscale automatically lends your money out to borrowers at a fixed rate. That means your payout stays steady and you can pull your money out whenever you want. So all you have to do is just to tap deposit, and you'll be good to go, and just input every required detail, okay? So next is our borrowing. Let's tap borrow. So guys, this is how borrowing on Loopscale works. Say you hold our Solana, but you need some quick USDT or cash. Instead of selling your crypto and paying taxes, you use it as collateral, okay? You put up your tokens, borrow the USDT you need, and the best part, your borrowing rate is locked in. On other platforms, borrowing rates can suddenly spike and eat up your money. On Loopscale, what you see is what you pay, okay? So you just have to borrow, and that's it, guys. And then now the question is, how do you earn on Loop? We have two ways: loops and points. But first, what exactly is a loop? If you have a token that already pays you yield, a loop automatically borrows against it to buy more of that same token with a single click. It basically multiplies your daily earnings. As for points, you earn them just by using the application, okay? Whether you are lending USDT, borrowing, or looping, Loopscale gives you free points. So whether you just want to set and forget passive income on your USDT, or you want to borrow against your holdings safely, Loopscale keeps it super simple, okay guys? Just like I told you, if you want to borrow, you just tap borrow and input all the necessary details, and you will be okay. That's basically it on how to use Loopscale, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.